Jesus. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. This is not going to be running well at all. Hi. I'm your lovely host, Innocent. And welcome to November. Okay, we can't go there. What? What? Okay. Thank you. Anyway, this is November, and this game is supposed to be somewhat of an escape room, I believe. Civil danger alert. Please refrain from looking.
Program to cooperate in the security and civil defense measures as requested by the.
Don't look at the night sky and don't go outside. But what if I want to go outside? Huh? What you gonna do about that, huh? Okay, I guess we're not. Hey, look, a key, thanks. Okay. Good tomorrow. Okay. Oh, okay, we're just, okay. Okay, that's very disorientating. Please refrain from doing that ever again. Okay. Well, okay, it's not there anymore. Lovely. What is my life amounting to? My phone's going crazy. Lovely. I'm playing this in browser, so I don't know if anything is anything. So, oh, the key's right there.
This is the Conrad alert.
Go outside now!
Alert. This is the Conrad 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 alert. This is the
Everybody
Conrad
quiet.
alert.
Okay, fine, I'll go outside now.
Alert. This is the Conrad alert. This is the Conrad
Outside?
alert.
Happy?
This is the
Jesus, is this just Groundhog's Day? Oops. What? 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 No. Run? Okay, we're running. Okay, we are running. We're running from what? I don't know. But we're running. Okay. That was just an escape room. There's no Where are they? Oh yeah, wait, no, you were not supposed to look up at the sky! No! Hello? 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 Oh no, I think I broke it. Let's try this again. Because I think I broke it. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah. Refrain from looking at the sky. Got it. Let's just go outside anyway. Why, hello. Can I please leave? No, I may not. I have light. Go outside now. Alright, let's go outside now. I'm outside now.
This is the Conrad alert.
This is the Conrad alert. This is the Conrad alert. Bonsoir? No? Okay. We're going to run. Okay, we're running. Jesus. I already knew what was coming. Come on. Let's pick it up. We're picking up the piece. Okay, we're supposed to turn around there. Okay, good. Good to know. Okay. We're not allowed to look into the sky. That's what the thing said. Right? Maybe we have to. Moon! My shiny good friend, how art thee? How art thou? Did I replay everything for nothing? Is this just how it ends? Snoop boop. I need to know, is this actually how it ends, or did I do something wrong? Hello? Snoop boop, I need to know! Snoop boop. Don't you make me do it. Don't you make me do it. I'll do it. I'll do it.
We never speak of that. Anyway, if you liked what you just watched, feel free to click or tap here and it will take you to the latest video on my channel. Or you can let the YouTube algorithms choose a video it thinks you'll like. Magic! And of course, you can click or tap over here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come join the cult! We're always open to new members. Anywho, I hope to see you all soon. Peace out. Bye-bye!